Babukisi Foundation.
Live in Zimbabwe right now in Harare. Sinaba maponga la. Amaponga sawubona.
Siyanivusela nina bakaGoma. Base Lutse, base Lufe, base Steki, base Big Ben, baka ho. House izi nakamanzini nakambabane kala mthimana mse coronation family membabane manje wena mbokane uthini ke Nkosi. I'm so glad we are happy to be welcoming guests here in Harare, celebrating culture, intercontinental conversations. I think it's time that Africa should start talking to herself, finding African solutions to answer those African questions. And how? Now babukhosi balapha nabo bathe basinyathele bonkosi hayi ngiyethe lapha emhlangeni ngiyethe bonkosi na senqoleni ke sike sizothi cabo ngesike siphuza amanti asemtilane.
What can you say about the work that Babukisi is doing?
Oh, it's what makes it beautiful. It is a young program where we are displaying ourselves, and there's no reason why old people should be discussing the future. Ask me why.
Why?
They won't be there in that future. So our only guarantee that we have that the future is bright is when young people begin to take the initiatives to shape the future, because they are the residents of the future. The old people, we are the residents of the past. And so Babukisi, as far as I'm concerned, it's a young program in the hands of young people, discussing, encapsulating, embracing cultural traditions which are left for the old people. But when young people take it, we are sure they will take it a mile longer. Any man who does not teach his child, he has killed the future.
Indeed. The number 40, even in biblical terms, it is quite significant. What can you say about the number 40? Especially because as much as he's the king, Mswati III, is celebrating 40 years on the throne. This year of 2026, he was on the throne 1986. Now it is the 40th year of him on the throne. What can you say? What can you comment about his wise leadership and how he has kept our traditions and everything in check?
Number 40 comes after number 30, and it comes before 50. It's time. You are using a timeline to measure time. I am very grateful that Swaziland is one. Swaziland, Eswatini has remained as one of the long outstanding monarchs in Africa, and that for me is already a story on its own of the strength that we can have in indigenous governance systems. The danger we face is when our kings are surrounded by fools who then become parasites, who destroy the efficiency of a system into personal aggrandization. It will be very important that a good number of technocrats, young people like yourselves and many others that I know, who can get closer to the king and make the country work. So it's not just about having a king that is happy for us. It's the poor people having food. It's the roads getting fixed. It is the community getting happy. And I'm so glad. I'm not talking about Inkosi Eswatini, njengenkosi engayati. How sikhule sonke lapha eSwatini. Ingonyama ngiyahlonipha kakhulu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi bangamendela umona. Abantu abanethi ingqondo naye akathi ukubutha. Ngiyayithanda le nkonzo yamadroza yokubuza ukuthi abantu ababuthekile. Kungathi singathi masila phana sibutheke kodwa sibuthe amadvodza anomsoco anengqondo anolwathi ane skill ibizwa ngeSwati skill abantu makhono ukuthi ive laseSwatini lingaweli emgodzini wedemocracy ngoba nayi democracy ihlukumeze iAfrika yonke iminyaka is65 edlulile. We wish really to see the emblem of success within the Swazi royal monarch, and I am glad that he's reaching 40 years. I look forward. I want to be there. And le ngithi ngonyama libhayibheli engakushiyela lona lo wamnyaka wangathi ungalifunza Nkosi sitakubuya sitokucwengula kancane mase ngifika ngasekhaya.
No, now tell tell Maswati, Kulumana Maswati Wachele about the upcoming podcast between Tobejan Makakula on the Babugisi Foundation. Just tell Maswati briefly that it's going to be fireworks, there will be fire and dust there.
I really look forward to be coming to Swaziland and conducting that broadcast, meeting young people, both our Mamba, we miss you guys. Our Nomganwamge Ushongwe, may his soul rest in peace. Fire, 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 fire.
Oh, spirit.
Number fortune again, I send Fusela again. Sundowns, I ngeva njalo ayise ku Sundowns. Team yami eBhola siyetha unkosi. Hayi, nginikhumbuline bongwane.
Yeah.
Ntabuti. Bayethe, wena phaka.
Babugisi Foundation. Lwadi nebuve ingcebo.